to pitch his proposal.
Okay, yeah. So, good morning, everybody. I'm Marc Diebold, and I'm here today to present you one of the many facets of Hydrique Ingénieurs. So, that is here lakes and lakes modeling. So, to make it easy to model a lake, something on lake, you take data, you feed a computer with this data, and then you end up with a nice picture. It could be waves, it could be currents, it could be sediment transport, it could be water renewal, it could be many things. So here, for example, on that slide, you take winds, you take a lake, the shape of a lake, you give it to a computer, and you end up with a nice picture telling you where you can go surfing on Geneva Lake when you have some bees events. As well, it can also tell you how to make your new beach or shore renewal, just to be sure that it will handle the next storm. This is a nice picture, and then we confront it with reality just through measurement, and you get a validation. That's the last picture. And so you see the red line, the blue, and the black line, they kind of match, showing us a good agreement between modeling and measurement. That's something we do since already 10 years now, with more than 40 successful projects, some going from big scale, like the Swiss Lakes project, a website giving you wave properties on several Swiss lakes. So that's something we are still improving the data and increasing the number of lakes. At a smaller scale, we have modeling of beach, shores, and harbor, and that's just giving you an idea how you can do it better and safer. Actually, we are mostly working in Switzerland. It's not a big market, it's a niche market, really not so big, but it's still increasing, as you can see the trend, but still with some up and downs, and that would be for us a good thing just to try to find a way to smoothen this curve, just to be more flexible. The impact of us, as I said, is just to improve shore revitalization. Because if you see then on Geneva Lake, you have something like more than 50% of a harbor which display a problem, or water renewal, bad protection against wave, then you have to think, okay, if I'm going to improve a shore, to invest some money, I'd like to have more than 50% of chances to do it right. And the social part as well, being able to improve or to create new beaches, new shores is a good improvement. Our team by Hydrique, the team working on it, is made of 5 people. So Philippe, and Jeremy and I. And everybody is able to work on both sides, measurement or modeling. For sure, everybody has an area of specialization, and so we are able to meet the demand. For our key partner, you have really to take the several pieces of a puzzle. So you need somebody to give you software to make your calculation. You need data, because a wave, for example, that's just wind blowing over water. So data from Meteo Suisse are doing very good job. And then you link everything with reality. So we have collaboration with engineering from environment or civil engineering. At the moment, our key clients are still in Switzerland, so Geneva and Zurich. But we hope to find new application, and that's because why we are here. It's just, okay, what are your needs? What else are you looking for beside of wave properties, currents, sediment transfer, or how could we apply it just to kind of increase? So it could be at local scale, Vaud, Canton, because we are working just 5 kilometers away from here, and we would be happy to be more involved in local development, or as well a bit more abroad, international, so going toward France or Germany. So I hope I aroused your interest for lake modeling and everything, and I would be happy to discuss it further with you at the coffee break. Thank you.
Thank you, Marc. We have a new aspect here, restoration of the ecosystem, restoration of wetlands for different purposes, and we need techniques for that and to do it right. And we can even construct whole wetlands ourselves. The convention I was mentioning before does include human-made wetland ecosystem, so there is no strict difference made. Nature is our basis, and nature can provide a lot, but we humans can obviously use it and create it or create part of it. And therefore, I would like to invite now Thomas Aubron from EcoBird, who will present to us